Polar vortex collapse set to send temperatures plunging in the US and Canada. That's right, another polar vortex. It's a little different. The polar vortex collapse is expected over the next 2 weeks, causing extreme winter weather and travel disruption across North America. The weather phenomenon is expected to develop in mid-March, bringing severe cold temperatures across parts of Canada, the United States, and it may also impact UK and Europe. Now, polar vortex collapse occurs when the layers between 10 and 50 kilometers above Earth's surface warms up to 50 degrees in just 2 days. Known as a sudden stratospheric warming, SSW, this warming can weaken the polar vortex, causing cold Arctic air to move southward and can lead to extreme weather conditions. Now, the polar vortex collapse will be the second in 2025 after collapse last month caused deep freezes and travel havoc in North America. Snowstorms and sub-zero temperatures impacted millions of Americans and the majority of the country in February. Well, I guess we're getting another one. If the upcoming vortex disruption weakens the jet stream, it may release cold air from the polar regions into North America or Eurasia. AccuWeather's lead meteorologist said, "We are predicting a displacement of the polar vortex on the Europe and eastern Canada side of the polar. When the polar vortex is disrupted, whether stretched, displaced, or split, it can but does not always impact this polar jet stream. The timing is uncertain for North America, but could see a change in the pattern for late March into early April. A polar vortex is a large area of low pressure and cold air which rotates around the north and south poles of the Earth and corresponds to the narrow bands of winds 8 to 11 kilometers above Earth's surface, known as a jet stream. Now, when the vortex is weakened, the jet stream can become less stable and lets cold polar air spill southward, leading to extreme and unpredictable weather. An expert explained that there's a small chance of a complete split in the jet stream pattern, which would last 4 to 7 weeks. He went on to say, but a displacement or a change in the pattern is more likely. Such a change would last less time and would affect Europe and Central and Eastern North America. I don't know, guys. It looks like we're about to get some serious weather. And of all months, March and April. Great.